Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to report income from a rental property on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your rental income statements, your expense receipts, and other relevant documents such as utility bills, invoice for repairs and maintenances, as well as property tax statements. Now, once you have all those documents, go ahead and log into Turbotax. Go to Turbotax website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your rental income for. Our next step is going to be to choose rental income from the income menu and then select the type of rental property that you have, such as a single family home, or it could be an apartment building. Next, just enter your total rental income, including any rent received, as well as security deposits and other income related to the rental property. Next, you can claim depreciation on your rental property, including the building, as well as improvements and equipment. And you can use the modified accelerated cost recovery system to calculate depreciation. Last step is going to be to review your rental income report and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest from there. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a rental property on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys